Hi, welcome to my channel. Take a show GG Agra. Since we were discussing Google Docs, so in the same sequence, I'll discuss Google Docs also with some new features. And the one thing which I wanted to emphasize that is what is GEG. Mostly people used to ask what is GEG. Actually, if you do not know about GEG, I would like to tell you that GEG is nothing but the Google Educators Group, and this is the group or the community created by Google. So there are many Google platforms or Google Educators Group across the world. So my Google Educators Group is one of them. This is GEG Agra, Google Educators Group Agra. So basically, the role of GEGs is to impart computer education among the people, or the students, or the teachers. So after this discussion, I'll let you know that in my last video I discussed how to insert the in space between the paragraphs, how to insert the space between lines, how to insert the checklist, how to insert the bulleted list or numbered list, and also I discussed the modes of the document, means editing, suggesting, and viewing sort of modes. And this time I'll tell you some new things, and so that you should know much about Google Docs and every nuances of Google Doc. So let's move to our Google Doc. So this is my Google Doc. So over here, if you look at, there are four chips you see here: template, meeting notes, and email draft, more. So before I work on this, I'll discuss one thing uh, additional, that usually what happened when the people used to ask how to insert the image, how to insert how to insert the photograph, and how to insert multiple images in the Google Doc. So to pacify this demand, I would like to insert the image in my Google Doc. All right. So first I'll move to the Insert tab. So see here, this is the Insert tab. So in this Insert tab, if you go to Insert tab, click on the image. So this is the first part or the first option of this insert menu, image. So when I click image, I'll get a sub menu where it shows upload from computer. Means if you want to upload the image from computer, then you can choose this option. And if you want to search any image from the web or from internet, you can use search the web, search the image from on internet, or drive. If your drive, Google Drive of this ID is having any image, and if you want to insert that image, you can go to drive and bring that image and insert it into your doc. Google Photos, if your Google Photos have photographs, and if Google Photos, this app has any photograph, then you can fetch it from Google Photos. And the next one is camera. And if you want to insert the image directly from the camera or live through the camera, then you can use this option, camera, this one. And this is by URL. So if you have stored the image somewhere in cloud or some other location, and if link is available, you can uh, fetch that image through the link also. So this time I'm going to discuss or insert, I'm not going to discuss, I'm just inserting the image which is in my Google Drive. I'm sorry, uploading the photograph or image from my computer. So I'll click on the upload from computer. So it will take me to the folder where the images are available. So suppose if I click on pictures folder, suppose I want to insert this image, I simply click open. So my image is inserted here. So this is the image. And if I want to insert more image, uh, this time I'll insert the image from the drive. I'll click on, if the image is available on in my Google Drive, then the images will be displayed in the right pane. And suppose this is the image. So if I click this, a pop insert button pops up. Insert. Now this image is also inserted this way. So here the insert, the second image is inserted, and likewise other images can also be inserted in this document. And another way to insert the image is, if I go to image option, drive, we have selected photos. If any photo is there in the photo section, there is no image in the album or Google Photos, so I cannot bring the image. If it would have any image, the uh, photos gallery or albums have any images, then I can bring the images from there. So this does not have any image, so just clicking cross. And I want to insert a new way to insert the image through the camera. This is online. So here you see the camera should be ready. So here, this is the camera of my system, and from here I can insert the image or click on the camera. It takes a photograph like this. So see here, so this image is clicked, and when I say insert, it will insert it here. All right, and so this is how we can insert the images. And one more thing, because it was selected, so it replaced the image. The new image replaced the old image. Now I am taking the new image again from the camera, and say this way. So this is the image, and when I click on insert, the third image is inserted. Okay, so this is how we can insert multiple images and different from different sources. All right, so this is how we can insert the images. And this is not only, we can also use table to insert the images cell wise. All right, so this time I'm going to delete them. Delete all the images. Okay, now the second option is table. Table, we can insert a table for tabular work. For example, there are three columns. So this is 3 by 2 means 3 columns and 2 rows. So see here, 3 columns and 2 rows. You can use right button of your mouse, and then see delete the row, means you can delete the current row or delete the particular column. Click the column like this, and if you want to delete this, right click and click on delete column. So here third column is deleted. And if you want to delete any row, for example, delete the row, so one row is deleted. And what I want to insert the image in this table also. Upload from picture gallery. Number one, or this one. Okay, this I insert here, one, and another image. I'll insert from my drive. So I'll go to image and will drive. So the if the drive contains images, it displays all the images available. So this time it has only one image. So I'll select this and click on insert button. So this is the image, the second image. And if I do not want this, and I click on in the next cell, now I insert from drive, see, insert. Now this is here. Customize it like this. Uh, Align it, and these lines I do not want, so select all these lines this way, and change the color to white. Now see, there are no lines. So this is how you can insert the images in the document. This can also be done using draw function of insert menu, drawing function of insert menu. So I'll discuss it later. And this time I am deleting all these images. Okay. So this is how one option that how to insert the images in Google Doc I have completed. Now I'm going to discuss these building blocks which are already there, which are given by Google Education itself, and I'll have to use these. These are called building blocks. So over here, four building blocks are available. One in this document: templates, meeting notes, email draft, and more. All right. So these you can find it here in insert menu also. Insert and building blocks, meeting, email draft, simple decision blocks, and view more. So this is new one. So we'll discuss it later. What are those? Meeting notes, email draft, communication, meetings, etc. So this time I am crossing them, and I'm going to use meeting notes. So meeting notes, if you have any event planned in through the Google Calendar, so when I click on this meeting notes, means meeting notes is basically meant for when you are in the meeting and if you want to write down some notes on the meeting. So this is meant for what? This is meant for this task only. So if I take you to the meeting notes, so as I hover on this building block, it shows me this one. So I simply click this. Okay. Now it is showing, since this has already been programmed through Google Calendar, and that is why it is showing this meeting with Google people, Wednesday, 3rd December, 5 to 6 p.m. So I'm simply clicking on this. So the layout of this block appears. You can set the date. So this is 3rd December. Add time. Yes, I can add the time. Time zone is my add time zone. The time zone is Indian Standard Time. Okay. And time zone and meeting with the Google people. And if you want to add something, mean attach something, this document is already attached to this event. All right. And if you want to make some notes, so suppose we'll be starting podcast soon. Number one. Second, we'll discuss AI in Google Studio, how to create APIs through Google Studio, and any task or action taken on. For example, podcast, Dr. Bajaj will do this, and API is Dr. Vishal will take care of this. Okay, and from my agenda is ready and meeting note, I can share it with the people. More exchange. So more actions, email meeting notes and attach drive files. So if you want to attach any file which is in the drive, you can attach it. And if you want to share or email this meeting notes, now click on email. So over here, these attendees are in there, whom to share this. So they are the email IDs, KK Singh APS, Krishna Kumar Singh, and one more, who is third one. This is third one. And here, this is the meeting notes, and this is agenda. And if I say Dr. Bajaj said I'll start the podcast, so it is here. So this is checked, means the work action taken. So the action is taken, and that is why this is strike off. So this podcast means this action, the action on this podcast has been taken off, and now this is no longer required. Still, it is there, and when you mail this meeting notes to the people, so it will appear like this. And when I say send, so this will be sent to the people or attendees of this meeting. So this is how we can use this building block. Okay, so this is very you know easy how to maintain the building block, and you can also do this with your people, with the people of the organization, and this is very useful. So we'll discuss another building block in my next video, and hope this is clear to you. If any question, if you have, kindly drop that question in my comment box. I'll meet in the next video and resolve your query. So till then, bye bye.